In this easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to show different banner images on desktop and mobile. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like. Now, let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do is to log in into your Shopify dashboard. Okay. And after that, you want to click here on online store. Okay, in the left, as you can see here, guys. And after, guys, you click on online store, as you can see, this is the banner my mobile customers see, and this is the banner that desktop customers see. It seems like it's the same, but at the end of this video it's going to be different. So the mobile is going to have a different image banner, and the desktop users will have a different image banner. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on customize. Okay, now this is, like I said, this is an easy tutorial. All you need to do, guys, is just to follow these simple steps. Okay, now as you can see, we have only image banner in the top, as you can see. Now what we need to do, guys, is to click on this add section. Keep in mind that this is not going to work on all themes. I'm talking about paid themes. This only works on free themes. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Now if you have paid for your theme, I'm not sure if it's going to work, but this works on all free themes. Okay, now you want to click here where it says add section, and you need to click another image banner. You want to click here where it says image banner, click on it. As you can see, now we have two image banners. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to right click, okay, and then move it up. Okay, move it up so that it's going to be above features collection. Okay, make sure this one you move your image banner, make sure you hold on it and move it up. Okay, all right, so now as you can see, image banner now, and then as you can see, it's below this, so there is nothing else. Okay, below image banner you can see also here image banner. Okay, so I hope you guys did that. Okay, so what you need to do, guys, now is to click here, it says image banner, and then you want to select a banner that you want to show for your desktop users. For example, I want my desktop users to have this image banner. Now after you select it, click on save. Now you want to go back, and here, as you can see, another image banner that we have added. Click on it, and now you want to add the image banner that you want your mobile users to see. Now I want my mobile users to see this image banner. Okay, so my mobile users will see this. Okay, and yeah, and then click on save. Now you want to go to the description of this video, okay, and you want to copy the code. Okay, for mobile, under mobile you will see this code, copy it. Now you want to go to the image you want to appear on mobile, the image banner you want to appear on mobile. Click on it, and then scroll down at the very bottom and click on this custom CSS. Okay, scroll down and then click on custom CSS, then click on save in the top right. Okay, all right, so now I want to go back, and here the top one, I want this to appear on desktop. Now you want to go back to description and copy the code for desktop. In the desktop you will see the code, then scroll down to the very bottom, like I said, click on custom CSS, paste this code there, and then click on save. Okay, so now this is the image my desktop users will see, or desktop customers, and this is the image my mobile users will see. Okay, now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to reload this page. And as you can see, like I said, this is the desktop customers, what they are going to see, and this is the banner, the image banner my mobile users will see. Okay, if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one. Hopefully this one, guys, helped you. Have a good day.